Coach, I'll start with you. First of all, congratulations with the win.
Thank
But I
you.
want to go back to that third quarter wherein you were outscored by TNT. What did you see in that quarter, and how are you able to regain control in the fourth?
First of all, we thank God for this win, and we give credit to a champion team na talagang pinahirapan kami this game. Yeah, so we know Talking Tech is a good team. Kahit I believe in my heart na even without RSJ, andun yung DNA nila of a winning team. So we went up by double digits in the first half. Pero we know they would come back. So napag-usapan namin yun sa halftime na maging ready tayo din kasi hindi basta-basta bibigay yung team na yan. So yun nga, nangyari. Nagkaroon ng scoring barrage. It was 32-18 ng third quarter. Napakahirap nun. But it's nice naman na kahit na we're talking, I think we spoke about it, yung adversity. I mean, two things that we want to improve. That was your question a while ago, Hapon. First would be yung consistency, and then battling adversity. Yun yung adversity na nakakuha namin ng third quarter. Nasubukan talaga kami. Toe-to-toe, possession by possession. Kailangan namin na umistop, kailangan namin umiscore. Makakuha ka ng mga dikit dyan, mga 2-3 stops, tapos makascore ka in between those. Medyo kumukuha ka ng pad So at least yun ang nangyari towards the end game. And maganda kasi nandun itong katabi ko, tapos si Arana na andun, si Shoni, si Alec, I mean veterans like Kirax showed up, and yung point guards namin, JL and MJ, nagpakita So for a young team like ours, malaking bagay yung ganitong close game na masusubukan ka talaga against adversity. And I think naipasa namin to against a back-to-back champion governors and commissioners. But again, we will be ready kasi medyo hawig yung game nila sa next game namin, which is on Wednesday. Hopefully, we're able to sustain that. And yun yung team na nag-knockout sa amin ng quarters So, we look forward to that meeting and just give these guys some rest tapos balik ulit kami for rain or shine naman.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Balti, pinag-uusapan lang natin before the game how this all-Filipino, mas mabigat yung minuto mo at ni Justin. And you have to work on yung hindi ka kakapusin sa dulo. Ano yung nakatulong sa'yo in this game na maging mas consistent yung performance mo every time nasa loob ka ng court?
Yun lang, magiging ready lang ako kasi itong Talking Tech, alam naman natin na malakas na team itong Talking Tech. So, kailangan namin takbuhan, kailangan namin maging aggressive dito. So, yun na, ang fourth quarter, kailangan hindi namin bumitaw kasi doon kami nagka-problema. So yun, nagiging ready lang talaga kami.